Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video we'll play a super fun challenge. Choose one button boy or girl edition. It'll be very interesting. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Choose your phone. Choose your house. Choose your favorite YouTuber. Choose your laptop. Choose your dancer. I think Salish is so cute. What about you? Choose your dessert. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your car. Choose your singer. Choose your perfume. Choose your tattoo. Choose your watch. Both of them look so luxurious, don't you think? Choose your friend. Choose your bedroom. Choose your sneakers. Choose someone to have dinner with you. Choose your outfit. Choose your headphones. Choose your task. Choose your cake. The girl's cake is so adorable. Choose your sunglasses. Choose your wallet. Choose your belt. Choose your pet. Choose your movie. Choose your bathroom. Choose your sport. Choose your guitar. Choose your gaming PC. Choose your backpack. Choose your hoodie. The men's hoodie looks so cool. Choose your gaming mouse. Choose your toys. Choose your cheesecake. Choose your hair. Choose your outfit. Choose your dressing room. Choose your gym. Choose your bicycle. Choose your gift box. Choose your gaming chair. Choose your ideal job. What's your dream career? Choose your roller skates. Choose your sandals. Choose your phone case. I believe you had fun taking part in this challenge. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.